Welcome to today's mathematics class. Today we'll be talking about addition of money. 50 naira plus 20 naira plus 10 naira. You are given 50 naira and 20 naira and 10 naira. Altogether, it is how much? 80 naira. 100 naira plus 50 naira. Your mom gives you 100 naira to buy biscuits and 50 naira to buy sweets. How much is it all together? That is 150 naira. 1000 naira plus 500 naira. 1000 naira plus 500 naira will give you what? 1500 naira. 200 naira plus 50 naira. 200 naira plus 50 naira will give you 250 naira. Practice time. Look at this and tell me how much is it in total. 100 naira plus 20 naira. Add 20 naira to 100 naira. That will give you the total of what? And 500 naira plus 200 naira. Add 200 naira to 500 naira. It will give you the total of what? So let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class. The next class will be based on subtraction of money. Hope you've learned today. You've learned something today. So see you in the next class. Bye.